Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be installing and reviewing this chocolate brown wig from Alipearl hair. But first guys, let's get into the color, okay? Like this brown is so beautiful. And normally with browns, I'm really careful because they really wash me out super easily. So I was kind of skeptical, but this one right here, like this just complements deeper skin so nicely. So I'm so excited about this wig. So thank you to Alipearl hair for partnering with me on this video. So let's get into the install. Here is the wig. This is 24 inches and 200% density. This one's in the chocolate brown color, and as you can see, the hairline is slightly pre-plucked, but we're gonna do a little bit more plucking. Then the baby hairs there as well, we're gonna cut those a little bit shorter. And there's also some adjustable straps, which is always good. The wig also came with a wig cap, a satin scarf, and an elastic band. Here is the wig straight out of the pack, and clearly she needs a little bit of work, which we'll get to. So I'm just gonna start off by plucking, and when I pluck on my head, I typically don't have any specific direction. I just kind of eye it, so I just keep going until I get my desired look. See, I'm sectioning out the very front part of the hairline just to make sure I'm not plucking that area, because I am going to use those hairs for baby hairs, and also you don't want to bald out the very front part of your hair. Now I'm going in with a hot comb just to kind of see how the hairline is looking and just to get it a little bit more flat, because this does help me get a better visual. This wig does not come with a part, I do have to create my own part. I'm just gonna do a middle part, so I'm just gonna section off the area. To give the part a more natural look, I'm just gonna carefully pluck out the areas that look a little bit too dense. You really want to be careful with this part because you do not want a wide part. So I'm just plucking very carefully and very little. Now I'm going in with a brighter concealer to define the part a little bit more. you guys see, I did not bleach the knots, and I really don't feel like I needed to because the knots on this wig were pretty small. So I was able to just get away with using some foundation. And with this part, if you do use foundation that's slightly darker than you, I do find that it blends better. So that's a little tip. So I'm just gonna go in with some foundation. It's much quicker and less of a headache than bleaching, because if you be bleaching knots, you know it'd be a headache sometimes. Time to glue the hair down. I'm using the Ebin lace spray, and I do like to go over with this about 2 times just to ensure that the wig is secure. The lace to melt a little bit more, I'm gonna go in with my elastic band, and I'm gonna leave this on for about 20 minutes. As you can see, I did go ahead and add a scarf as well, and I just did this to help the hair lay down a little bit more flat. After I take off the elastic band, I always like to go in with a little bit more of that spray on a comb because it helps lay down those areas that the glue missed, and also it just helps with the blending. sectioning off some areas for the baby hair. With colored hair, I don't like to do too much with the baby hair, so I am gonna section off small and light parts and just do one on each side. Add some waves, and this hair took to the waves very easily. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.